Grow your hair longer and faster with this Indian secret herb and treat boldness. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Hi family, welcome. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. So today's video, I am going to be showing you guys this amazing herbs to grow your hair and treat baldness, alopecia, hair loss, hair fall. Like this is an all-in-one herb. I am going to be showing you guys. This is no longer a secret because these herbs are everywhere. You can lay your hands on them. They are amazing and super for hair growth to treat a lot of hair issues, guys. Like this is so good for our scalp. We are going to be making an amazing insane hair growth spray with this herbs. So the ingredients here, as you guys can see, the first ingredients here is clove. We have clove here. Like clove is an amazing herb that grow hair, that has a lot of amazing benefits. I have used it in some of my videos. Like I've seen a lot of testimonies. I've seen this work for so many people, including me. Like I'm also growing my hair. Like my hair is 2 years old. I've been 2 years natural. I just completed 2 years recently. So guys, I've seen a lot of changes. During my first year of being natural, I struggle with my natural hair because I don't know how to take care of it. Like it was a struggle. I watched a lot of videos. I searched. I did a lot of research. Like I could not take care of my hair. My hair was breaking a lot because my hair is fussy hair. Like my hair was breaking. I could not even know what to do. I wanted to put relaxer. I wanted to go back to chemical, like with chemical hair, with treating your hair with a relaxer. We know it is very easy to comb. You'll be able to manage it well. But I decided to do a lot of research and I found out that natural growing your hair naturally will also make it longer and healthier with all these remedies, home remedies, and some Ayurvedic herbs, some Indian herbs, and also African herbs. Normal things that we can find in our kitchen can grow our hair. I was so amazed. I started experimenting. I'm not gonna cut my tongue, guys. I started experimenting with a lot of things, using natural herbs, using a lot of home remedies on my hair. Like my hair has been so good, guys. So I decided to share with you all my secrets. Share with you all. It's not a secret, guys. It is everywhere, but a lot of people don't still know how to grow their hair using natural things, guys. We Africans can grow our hair. We have been deceived that natural hair cannot grow, we cannot maintain our hair. It is a lie, guys. I have seen a lot of people growing their hair to waist length using natural things, and natural hair, African hair can grow. We can grow our hair using less expensive things. Like we also thought that growing natural hair is expensive. Guys, it is not expensive. Okay, if you do your own research and use simple things, you can also grow your hair without breaking the bank, without using expensive things. Okay, so many things that you can find around you can grow your hair, guys. Just do your research, okay, and be patient. Okay, be patient, your hair will grow. So today I will share with you guys these amazing herbs that I've been using to grow my hair. Like I started using these hair rings, and I started incorporating hair rings and hairspray into my hair regime. I've seen a lot of changes. My edges have grown a lot. Like my hair is now becoming full and darker, and a lot of people are loving my hair, asking me what I'm using on my hair. So I'm decided to share with you guys this recipe, guys. So I have did a lot of hairspray treatment as well on my channel. I'm going to be leaving it in the description box below. Do it to check that out. So these three ingredients work perfectly. It is so powerful, guys. So this is a hairspray, another type of hairspray that you can make with just these simple three ingredients. You can also use it as a final hair rinse on your hair. You can either spray it when your hair is dry. You can use it in so many ways, guys. So without not wasting much of your time, let me not talk too much, let's just dive right into the video. And if you love this video, please give me a like, subscribe so that you will get notification when I upload a video. Okay, share the video if you love it to your friends and family. So guys, let's now dive right into it. So we'll be needing 3 herbs or spices, which is clove, rosemary. I've been using rosemary for a while now because it is very common and easily accessible herb. Rosemary contributes a lot to hair growth and has a lot of amazing benefits. So we will be needing clove, rosemary, and mint leaf or peppermint. Some people call it peppermint or mint leaf. So this tea is so amazing, guys. It stimulates and improves blood circulation to the scalp, thus encouraging hair growth. And also they cleanse the hair due to its antibacterial quality. It gently cleanses hair, it gives the hair shine, and if you are experiencing any scalp issue, it relieves irritated, dry, flaky, dandruff scalp, which so many of us have issue of. So guys, clove is not only beneficial for the body or skin but also for the hair in so many ways, guys. So what we're going to do is just to get our herbs. I use about 2 tablespoons of clove, 2 tablespoons of mint, and a couple of some herbs of rosemary. So I'm just going to go ahead to put them into my pot, and then I'm going to be adding 3 full cups of water depending on the amount of your herbs. So put in the water that will be enough to cook up the herbs. We are not going to be cooking it up, we are just going to be infusing the herbs, okay, not particularly cooking it, we are going to be infusing it. Okay, so guys, it is very simple to make. Go ahead to rinse your leaf, and you can use dry leaf. If you have the fresh one, you can use the fresh rosemary. If you have the dried one, you can use, okay, whichever you have, it also works like that. So go ahead to put it in the pot, add in your water, and then put it in the stove. You are going to load the stove to be in a very low heat. You want to allow it to be very low so that it will infuse slowly inside the water, so that all the nutrients will go into the water, guys. So guys, mine has been infusing for about 5 minutes, and when it started boiling, I went ahead to go ahead to off it. So guys, this is what it looks like, and then I will be straining it into my glass bottle. I will be storing this and keeping it for extra 3 hours for it to infuse more. You can go ahead to allow it to cool down and use it immediately, but I will allow mine to infuse more by leaving it for extra 3 hours, or you can just leave it overnight if you made this in the evening. So guys, this is it. I will go ahead to put in the herbs, and then after 3 or more hours, I will then go ahead to strain it and put it in my spray bottle. You guys will see what it looks like after straining it.
The next day.
So guys, my treatment is ready. You can use it anyway, as a hair rinse, as a hairspray. My protective style is looking dry. I made this protective style some days ago, so I'm going to be spraying this on my dry scalp. Like, I love spraying herbal infusion on my hair just to revive my scalp. Like, these herbal teas, herbal spray, herbal infusion treatment do work a lot, guys. I hope you all will give this a try. I do make a lot of DIYs. Just go ahead to choose which one will work for you and do it, because a lot of videos of DIY and home remedies about natural hair, natural care, using 100% natural ingredients to grow our hair, such as using herbs, using plants, using spices, natural things, guys. A lot that I will be sharing with you all. I hope you all subscribe and join the family. It is absolutely free, guys. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please, I will give you 1 second to click on that subscribe button for 1 week of good luck. It will work, guys. Click on that subscribe button and experience 1 week of good luck, guys. So I'm joking, guys. If you believe, just click on it and you will actually get that good luck. Okay, so guys, I was not able to pack my braids before, guys. Oh my goodness, I was so super excited. Like, I can now pack my braids. Before, if I make this one braid, I'm not able to pack it because my hair was short. But now, guys, my hair, I was able to pack this braid. I'm so super excited. Like, this herbal tea is working for a lot of people. It's working for me as well, guys, especially. So I only share what is working for me and also share what has been working for other people, and when they use it, it works for them. I also share it with you guys as well, in case you might also see the one that will benefit for your hair. So guys, like, this herbal infusion, these herbal teas are really working for me because it will help your hair to be fuller, grow faster. And if you have any issue in the scalp, especially this peppermint, I love the peppermint because it is a popular herb known for its aroma and medicinal value. It has antiseptic properties and the ability to kill bacteria which may enter our scalp. Okay, so I hope you all find this video helpful. All these herbs are selected for your hair growth. Like, it is amazing. All of them has amazing benefits. You can likewise use one of it. You can use clove separately, you can use peppermint separately, you can use rosemary separately. If you don't want to combine the three herbs, you can just use one separately and try it out on your scalp and see how it will feel. Okay, you can decide to combine the three together. You can decide to use one separately, which I have made a video about that. I think peppermint, only the peppermint, on one of my video. So guys, thank you all so much, and I wish you all a happy blessed day. So this will be the end of today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this simple tutorial hair treatment that will grow your hair in a rocket speed, guys. So guys, thank you all and see you all on my next video. Bye.